Welcome to Halaxy. You've just joined thousands of medical and health practices dedicated to making healthcare better. Halaxy is practice and patient management software, customized specifically to your profession and to your practice setup, whether it's a sole, group, or large multidisciplinary practice. Halaxy doesn't just reduce your administration. Halaxy removes it entirely so you can get back to what really matters, treating your patients. With Halaxy, all you need to do is make a booking and everything is done for you. The invoice, clinical note template, patient record, reminder, financial report, and even the payment. This saves you minutes per appointment, giving you up to an hour of your day back. In this video, we're going to set up your practice, including your practice details and hours, and your practitioner profile. And then we'll create your first appointment so you can see how the Halaxy workflow automates your admin for you straight away. By the end of this video, you'll be able to start running your practice from your calendar, all in under 5 minutes. Let's jump in. The most important thing to get started in Halaxy is to set up your practice details. On the sidebar, click Personal, then click Locations. Click Edit. Then enter your practice details for this location, including your business address, NZBN, and contact info. You can also choose a colour for the location, which colour codes your practice hours at this location on your calendar. Click Save. Now let's add your practice hours. Next to hours, click the pencil icon. If you have the same practice hours every week, select Weekly. Then click Add New to add your hours to your weekly schedule. You can add more days or different time segments on the same day. Don't forget to leave time for lunch. When you're done, click Save. Next, click Profile to set up your professional information. In the top right, click Edit and enter your personal details and contact email address. You can either now or later enter your qualifications, professional description, and areas of focus for your Halaxy directory profile, which we'll cover in a later video. When you're ready, click Save Profile. Great! Your practice is set up. By entering your details once, they automatically transfer across to your calendar, invoices, and letterheads for you. You're now ready to manage and automate your practice, all just by making appointments. Click the Halaxy logo to open the calendar. Your calendar is now colour-coded based on your location practice hours. Click in the calendar to create an appointment for a specific date and time. Type the patient's name, then click the drop-down to add them as a new patient. You can then fill out as much or as little of the patient's details as needed. This creates a patient profile in your Halaxy software, where you can add more details later. Next, under Fees, enter the name or item code of the service you're providing. Click in the drop-down to import it from Halaxy's global database and add it to your fee list. If the service is not in the database, you can add it as a new fee and set up all the details yourself. For this tutorial, we'll be importing an ACC preset physiotherapy fee. In the pop-up, configure the details of the service you are adding. Importing a preset fee and its funder means you also import the relevant ACC item code and hourly price, so you don't have to add these yourself. All you need to do is set the amount you are charging, if it is higher than the ACC price. All these details are saved to this fee for future appointments. When you're ready, click Import Fee. If your appointment is longer or shorter than 1 hour, you can change the duration of the appointment before saving. Now, save the appointment. By using a preset ACC fee and funder, Halaxy automatically configures requirements for ACC. In this case, the patient's claim number and diagnosis. When you enter this in the calendar appointment, it is also saved to the patient's profile, automatically using these details in future appointments for ACC billed services. And now, as you can see, just by following the simple process of creating an appointment, you've also completed several other tasks. You've created a new patient profile and saved their claim details. You've imported and set up a new fee for your practice. You've automatically generated an invoice and a clinical note for the appointment. In the invoice, you can even add your practitioner identification requirements, saving them for all your ACC billed appointments at this location. All that's left for you to do is submit the invoice to the ACC to claim payment. This is the power of Halaxy. Everything is automatically linked, so you can manage every aspect of your practice just from your calendar alone. So now you can say goodbye to administration and hello to a galaxy of health where everything is automatically done for you, so you can focus on treating your patients. Welcome to Halaxy.